Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe because like, comment, share and subscribe is free. So that you must help me just to like, comment, share and subscribe. Uh, Today I will tell you about cryptocurrency or Ethereum. Origin Sarkar Augustus 13, 2022. The merge top 5 misconception about the anticipated Ethereum upgrade. Clear the faith road, the most significant upgrade in the history of Ethereum. The merge here are five misconceptions that stand out among the rest. The X determine raw Ethereum upcoming upgrade. The merge which involves the merge of two blockchain mining Ethereum and Bitcoin chain has unknowingly spread rumors across the community that made the most significant upgrade in the history of Ethereum. The merger does indeed mark the end of work for the Ethereum blockchain. However, her, uh, here are five misconceptions that stand out among the rest. Misconception 1. Ethereum gas fees were reduced after the merge. Ethereum impending upgrade will reduce Ethereum infamous gas fees is one of the biggest misconceptions circulating among investors. Will reduce gas fees top every investor realize that the merger is a chain of consensus machines that will that uh, transaction proximity currency. Rowing in Ethereum with working on the network, speed and throughput. The developer community is currently working on a robot-centric Redmi to make transaction safer makes cross-caption too. Ethereum transaction will be transferred after the merge. It is safe to assume that Ethereum transaction will not be noticeably faster. However, there is some truth to this rumor as because Chain allows validator to publish blogs every 12 seconds, which on the mainnet is wrongly 13 and 3 seconds. Will Ethereum developers believe that transitioning to POS will enable a 10% increase in block products? The seed improvement will go unnoticed by user. Uh, Misconception 3. The merger will result in downtime of the Ethereum blockchain. Contrasting the mixed conception that an efficient fossil outcomes for Ethereum from the merge. A popular rumor suggests that the planned upgrade will momentarily take down the Ethereum blockchain. The developers anticipate no downtime as the transaction from being bought using power to being bullet using force. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe because I always talking you about cryptocurrency or Ethereum. Well, see you.